Hi, my name is Hayden Gould, and as you all know, 3D printing is a new technology that is becoming cheaper as time goes on, and soon everyone will have one in their house. So today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a 3D printer and what is required, such as setup, slicing, printing, and cleaning using the Ender 3 Pro. For setup of the Ender 3, you have to level the bed so that the surface on here is flat. To do that, you move these dials on the bottom, and then you use an auto bed leveling where you bring it up and it touches on 9 different points, and you take a piece of paper and you go in and you move it the Z up or down depending on whether the nozzle is touching the paper. Now to tell when it's touching the paper, you'll feel a little bit of a resistance, and if you feel a little bit of resistance, then you're in a good area. If you don't feel any resistance, keep going down. Now I feel resistance right here, but it's not too much resistance that the paper doesn't still slide under. So I am in a good position. So I'll click the button again, and it'll go to the next position, and I'll do it again. Now that's good. Now I didn't show the complete bed leveling because that would take so long, so I decided to go on to the next step in setup, which is priming the bed area so that it's sticky, so that the model will actually stick to the bed. We use a glue stick. It doesn't matter what you use. I mean, I use Elmer's glue, and you just take it and you apply it to the entire bed, and you just roll it on as much as you want. Just don't get it too sticky and too in one area, because it could affect the bottom side of your print. And once you've done that, you are done with setup and you are ready. Now that you are done with setup, you can now decide what you want to print. I have chosen this for the demonstration, and now you are ready to slice. So first, bring up Cura. Cura already has settings loaded for the Ender 3, so you don't have to worry about that. Now that Cura is up, it should look like this. Go up to the top left where it says File and hit Open Files. Find what you want to print, open it, and bring it in. Now what you do is you drag it into the build plate into the middle. And then at the bottom right, you hit Slice. Once you have sliced it, hit Save to Removable File. And then hit Eject, just to be safe. SD card that you put the model on. And now you are ready. Now that the SD card is in, press this button, go down to Print from SD, find the model. Ours is Benchy, and hit start, and now the bed will heat and the extruder will also heat. This is a time lapse of the model actually being printed. It came out really well. It took about an hour and 8 minutes. So now it's time to actually remove it from the bed. Now when removing the model, you want to use this tool to remove it off the bed so that you're not just ripping it and it may actually peel a layer off. And there it is. Very clean, no bulges. Very nice. Now that the model has been removed from the bed, you can now start to clean the bed. First, take these off, these clamps off. Now, you take the bed, grab a wet rag, and wipe the glue off. Once you got it clean, take a dry rag and dry the bed off. Then place it back on, reclamp it, and you're ready to demonstrate how to 3D print a model and the steps required to ensure a good print by setting up properly, slicing, printing, and cleaning up for your next use. I hope you all decided to invest in a 3D printer and have fun with it in your own way.